Early in the morning, Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're gonna hit up garage sales. E-money's coming. I think it's gonna be a really good day today, so, ooh, he just texted me. He said, okay, he's coming. Let's get the show started. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship, and today we're gonna go to hit up garage sales. We're gonna have some fun. Oh yeah, if you wanna kind of see like an early stage ride along, like how it kind of evolves, go check me out at the Bonafide Hustler on Instagram, and that's where we do the ride along in a storyline. So it's pretty cool. I already put 2 little pieces of my story up this morning. It's a good story. Once upon a time, there was a lot of cheddar, and a guy with a white spaceship just took it all. And then everyone lived happily ever after. The end. That's the best story on earth, right? E-money is about to be here in a second. Come on, E-money. E-money!
What's up? I thought you were gonna put the larger bike rack on.
Maybe. We'll see. Okay, so we're right down the road, and a 7 o'clock garage sale that I saw last night at 7 o'clock, I mean, I marked it at 7 o'clock, changed it to 8 o'clock, so that sucks. So we're killing a little bit of time. There is a 7:30 we're gonna go to, and we're trying to get into this coffee house that's right in the back of this really good taco shop. So the taco shop is called Veracruz, but the little coffee shop in the back is called Machine Head Coffee, and it's really good. So we'll take you guys in there in a second. We're gonna get some Caffey Waffy, and then we're gonna get some caffeine, and then what else? Get some money?
Yeah.
Hey, we had the REI garage sales today, huh?
It's true.
Yeah.
You know what I need first?
What?
My tomahawk.
The tomahawk.
I need my tomahawk.
Oh yeah. Dude. What do you look like that guy from Mortal Kombat, right? What's his name?
Nightwolf. I need my tomahawk.
By the way, while we're on the subject of Mortal Kombat, which one was that? MK3?
MK3.
Maybe MK3?
Yeah.
Who's the best Mortal Kombat character to play? Let me know. I'm gonna say my favorite, where I can like
okay, hold on.
whoop butt.
Yours is Sub-Zero.
No, it's not.
Who is it?
It's Sindel. It's this girl that like hovers and like she's so crazy.
I remember that one.
That girl can combo like a mofo. Anyway, Sindel's really good. Smoke is really good too.
That one's mine. If you throw them, they'll always land right side up.
What do you mean?
Like they'll always land right side up.
You're stupid.
Yeah, I need some.
Okay, so this is Machine Head Coffee, Burnett Road 183, and then you have a Cortado. I actually got a Doppio here. Cheers, man! Oh man! All right.
Cheers.
Smells really, really good.
180 sniff test. Man, I passed the sniff test really, really good.
Ah!
Dude.
Woo! That was good. Ah!
Goose down. Couldn't even prevent that from coming through.
I don't even. Ah! It is a.
Ah! Man, that's a whole different flavor.
It's good. It's really, really good. So we definitely, it's rated really high too. It's rated high as well. It's a good coffee. It's a good Doppio at least. Let's go. We might be late, E-money. We might be late to the cheddar. It looks like this is gonna be the best spot.
Gotta find some stuff at this garage sale.
All right, we just scored an enormous Wii bundle with a ton of games. The Wii is right here, Sarah's Bones rack. We paid $65.
65.
For everything. That'll sell for around 80.
So locally, this is gonna sell for 80.
Right.
And then
This
the
is
Wii itself is probably gonna shake out at 50 or 60, but with the games and everything, I'm gonna shoot for 70 or 80 bucks.
Yeah, it's a really, really good score. So a really awesome score. First score of the morning. Perfect. Come on, E-money, what the hell?
I'm collapsing it so I don't destroy your truck.
All right, to the next garage sale we go. We got a Rockstar Flipper right there. I see the Rockstar Flipper. There he is. Man, he's going fast. He's flipping fast. My gosh, get out of my town, Rockstar Flipper. Go back to Florida, Rockstar Flipper. All right, next garage sale somewhere around here. Should see some commotion around here. Should be something going. Oh yeah, people are already at the sale.
Yes.
Dang. Let's see if we can score this one.
So from this garage sale right there, Chris popped on this sweet hell of a score.
Yep.
Fuji road bike. How much?
This is 40 bucks. It probably sell for like 115, 160, maybe 200 bucks, maybe. We'll see.
Cheddar Bell.
I got the Timbuktu.
And as I was explaining this on the Instagram story, hey, if you're not checking out his Instagram story, you can see a whole bunch of this stuff, but I also got this.
Oh, that's
Tell me,
so
who
cool.
is this guy? Who is this?
That is a really cool rat.
1995.
That's a really cool ferret.
And two, say it, Chris?
Is that a peso?
No.
What is that thing?
It says FR on it.
FR?
FR.
Is that a franc?
A franc.
You gonna sell the Timbuktu?
Yeah.
Anything? No, you don't. No, don't search the pockets now.
Oh.
You search the pockets later. And we don't take the address of this place either.
But I have to, because I'm gonna.
No, don't search the pockets now, E-Money. Because then, if you find something super valuable, you gotta give it back to these people. So we're not gonna take down any addresses or anything like that. Okay, on our way to the next garage sale. Who knows what the day is gonna, have, but it's gonna be awesome. Wow, look at our little town in the background, E-Money. Our little town of Austin, Texas. It's growing. Yep. It's like a little Chia Austin. We gotta water it. So this one we are gonna be like dead on time, which is cool because we have 3 good garage sales. I mean, we've had 2 good garage sales before this one. So maybe it'll be good, maybe it won't. I don't know, but we're coming up on it right now. We see a grill. I'm gonna try to get a better vantage point here. I don't know. Oh, there's a bike.
Ooh.
Dang it, and that guy's looking at it. Son of a... All right, E-Money's still thinking about buying something in there. I didn't buy anything. The bike turned out to be overpriced. Looks like E-Money's walking out with some sort of furry something. How much is it?
$2.
Wow.
You should have taken it.
Well, I didn't really want it that much. Honestly, I didn't really want it that bad. That has batteries and stuff in it too. That's cool.
$2, man.
Wow.
I gotta look him up.
Doesn't he like to eat cats or something? Or dogs? He likes to eat cats, right?
I can't remember. I think it's cats.
Yeah, I think so. Man, look at that. Look at this guy.
What's his name?
Everyone knows who this guy is.
That's Carrot Beak. Doesn't he look like he has a carrot?
It's Carrot Beak. How much is Carrot Beak gonna sell for?
Dang. Maybe 80 to 100.
Yeah, 80 to 100 maybe. Something like that.
Man, Carrot Beak's gonna get me some money.
Carrot Beak is gonna pay off. Rutabaga snout is gonna pay off. What is a rutabaga anyway?
Croissant nose is gonna get me some cheese.
What is a rutabaga anyway? All right, now I gotta look it up. What the hell is a rutabaga? All right, here's what a rutabaga looks like. Does his nose look anything like that?
Nope. Looks like a croissant.
It does look like a croissant. It looks kind of like a cornucopia nose.
No way.
Look, cornucopia head over here. Well, it looks like you're gonna score pretty well with cornucopia nose guy.
Great. Sounds good, Carrot Beak.
All right, Carrot Beak, let's go in there. This dude's like, this guy is like, what is it? He's like Gwar. Man, honestly, I think we have a 3rd passenger in this SUV. E-Money's sideburns. They're starting to take up some serious space. What is going on here?
There.
This is like a sideways, just for men Trump like look.
There, it's GQ.
It's GQ, yeah, right. GQ. Oh, that guy just ran over that curb. Yeah, E-Money. What's up with this sideburn stuff? You're insane, man.
I read this study where 5% of men that have like extremely long sideburns live a great life.
Get 95% zero laid in their life. 95% chance of no girls. We have a garage sale right here. Oh, I see some amplifier stuff. I saw some random stuff. Cool. And look at this house. Has like a little, like, I don't know. What is that? What is that thing? A trilobite looking like roof?
Yeah. Horseshoe crab?
It's got a trilobite roof. We're gonna kind of abandoned the whole garage sale thing for a garage sale. We're gonna go to the REI garage sale here central, and we expect there to be a lot of people in line. My guess is probably 100 or more. But we're gonna try to get in and see what happens. REI garage sales can be hit or miss. A lot of times lately they've been miss, but when they're hit, I mean, you make really good money. So I don't know what it's gonna look like today. If you've never been to an REI garage sale, you absolutely should go at some part of your life. It's really fun, especially if you're into outdoor gear. All the stuff at the garage sale are customer returns for some random reasons, and many of the reasons are really trivial. So it's, yeah, it's 100% worth going. You ought to check it out if you get a chance. All right, the line is so big to this REI garage sale that I'm just gonna figure out some sort of a parking job around here somewhere. This is just gonna be really hard to park at. Ooh, this line is super big to get in, but you never know. This line goes all the way that way, around into the back of REI. Oh man, they let you into the back of the REI, like the loading dock section. That's where everything is. So we are about to see what an REI garage sale looks like. Look at this. This dog does not get to see any of the cheddar. Whoa, look at all the gear. Dude, there's too much gear. Alright guys, there's a ton of stuff here. I gotta let you guys go. There's so much stuff here. Alright, so we didn't really find anything. E-Money found a Frisbee. That's all we're getting today, and the prices are kind of high. All that waiting in line for a Frisbee. Dude.
Yeah, but this thing's gonna like last a year or something.
Yeah, we'll get a return of happiness from that one. Anyways, you know, these are hit or miss, like I said earlier. Today, a little bit of a miss. I was thinking about buying a bag and a bicycle seat, but I think when you wait in line, you get to ponder some of these decisions. You're like, I really don't need that. How often am I gonna use this waterproof bag, for example? Like, I don't need it. This is one of the last garage sales of the day, and we're checking it out. We don't expect very much from this, but you never know. It could be really good. I'm definitely getting lower on energy now, and we've still got a ways to go. We got another REI garage sale to check out, and well, we'll see what this garage sale yields. This is the garage sale that we're checking out. I see some dirt bike helmets. I see some helmets and stuff. All right, looks like E-Money. How much you spend for everything?
12 bucks.
12 bucks. You got some
Nike Air Structure shoes. These are fire looking.
Fire looking. You're gonna try to what, aim for 60, 80?
60, 80, yeah.
Okay,
definitely.
cool. You got a tank top for yourself right there. Nice. I got a Masters visor. Paid $5 for this. We'll see what I can get for it. You know, I know that these things sell at certain times of the year, so maybe like 30 to 50 at the right time. And then I got this like pocket gym thing, which is very important when you go traveling. I always need these things, or I need new ones of these because they tend to get very brittle after a while. So yeah, got that right there, $5. All right, my wife is here. There's Whitney right there, and this is the second REI sale. You can kind of see everyone's picking around all the outdoor goods. Could be some good scores in here. I'm gonna show you what I find because it's really chaotic, and this camera's like kind of big, and these pants are way too small, and it just looks really weird. So this is where we are right now. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so I didn't find anything there. E-Money didn't find anything there. I mean, there's some things there. I just didn't want to really get into them. My wife did buy this Arc'teryx down jacket that's super sick. It's probably over $200 new, maybe almost close to 300. She got it for 100 bucks. And she got some 510 Free Riders, which is the ultimate enduro mountain biking shoe right there. She paid $25 for that, and she's gonna ride with those. So pretty good score. That was 25 bucks. You know, if you were to buy that new, it's basically $90. So she saved a lot of money, and those things are mint. It was a customer return. Now we're gonna get tacos and then go home. Yeah,
cut them off. Cut them off.
Okay.
Dude, just don't do a spy hunter maneuver on them.
Yeah, one thing. Oh shit, here. Oh my God, I found it.
Oh, you made it.
So, one thing is, that guy was not happy at all to take my package.
Why is that?
Because my package is big, bro.
Why is that?
Because I'm Asian.
That makes no sense. You're shipping off Allen Edmonds. What are they, like size 15s? 16s?
There was a joke, and it's like here now. It's like above your head.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
anyways,
okay.
He wasn't happy to take my package. I was like, bro, take my package. He's like, oh, I don't want your package. He took my package.
Was it like a stinky package? It was probably because it was stinky. Or it was a dirty package.
E-Money, you're gross.
It's dirty.
E-Money, you're a nasty money today.
What are you talking about?
Nasty elf. Back at the Hustler Casa. Got the to-go Taco Deli order right here. Ooh, salsas. Yummy stuff. Got some tacos. Gonna eat this stuff up. Not the worst day, not the best day. I'm glad I went out though. The bike should be a really good sale, so I'm all pumped up about that. But yeah, we got some good stuff right here. About to lay into these tacos. Ooh, look at this one. Yeah. Ooh. Catch up with you guys in 1 second.